Okay, good morning, children. So yesterday we learned up to like and unlike fractions, no? Today we are going to the next one, fraction in lowest form. Fraction in lowest form. So what is called fraction in lowest form, children? The fraction is said to be in lowest form terms if the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. So that is called fraction in lowest form. Suppose see 5 by 10 is there. So both numerator and denominator will divide with one number only or not? Both numerator and denominator both divide one number only or not? Yes, 5 table no. So 5 ones, 5 twos. So 1 by 2. Now here both numerator and denominator are divided by one number, children. Is it possible? No. It's not possible. So here numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Only one table only is possible. There is nothing, any factor. So this is the lowest form. Did you understand? This is the lowest form. That is called fraction in lowest form. Write the definition. A fraction is said to be in its lowest terms if the numerator and denominator have no common factor, have no common factor other than 1. Other than 1. Come on, right. So equivalent fractions in lowest form is the fraction is said to be in lowest form if the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. That is called fraction in lowest form. Next one is comparison of fraction. Comparison of fraction. How to compare the fractions, children? Already you learned in the previous classes, no? Comparison of fractions. Suppose the two, if you take any two fractions, suppose I am taking 2 by 5, 3 by 5. Okay? I am taking here two fractions. First you have to observe the denominators. These two denominators are same or not? Yes. So the denominator is having the same means what are those fractions? Like fractions. What are those fractions? Like fractions. Now you have to compare numerators. Okay, compare numerators. So the numerator, which one is the small numerator, that is the smallest fraction. Okay, in these two numerators, which one is smallest number? 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is the less than 3 by 5. So 2 by 5 is the smallest fraction. Did you understand, ma? Why? When it, how can you compare this one? Yes, where the denominators are same means you should compare numerators. Okay, so which one is the numerator is less? That fraction is less. Did you understand? This is the first case. Okay, now second case, what is the second case is? 4 by 5 3 by 5. Sorry. 4 by 5, 4 by 6. Here, what do you observe here? Here, denominators are same, children. Here, denominators are not same, but numerators are same. Okay? Here, numerators are same, but different denominators. So, what do you do? So, which fraction having the denominator is lesser, that fraction is greater. Did you understand? So, which fraction having the denominator is less, that fraction is greater than other fraction. Okay. So, here which denominator is smallest one? Smallest denominator. I am asking denominator. 5 by 5. Here denominator is 5. 5 is less than 6. No. So, which one having, it is denominator is less, this one, 4 by 5 fraction. So, this fraction is greater than the 4 by 6 fraction. Okay. So, the fraction having the denominator is less, that fraction is greater than the other fraction. So, in this fraction, among these two fractions, here numerators both are same. Then you have to observe the denominators. In the denominators, which one is smallest denominator? That fraction is greater than the other fraction. Did you understand? This is the second case. Here it is denominators are same means you should compare numerators. Here numerators are same means you should compare denominators. This is the first and second case. Now third case. Here you observe these two fractions, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Any numerators are same? Denominators are same? So what do you call these fractions? Unlike fractions. What do you call these fractions? Unlike fractions. So here unlike fractions given me, how to compare? First you should compare the denominators with LCM. Did you understand? First you should compare the denominators with LCM, then you have to convert into like fractions. So here what are the fractions here? Like fractions or unlike fractions? Unlike fractions. How to compare unlike fractions? Yes. First you should compare the denominators with LCM. Then you have to convert into like fractions and compare. Did you understand now? This is the third step. Okay. First one is what? Like fractions given. Denominators are same. You should compare numerators. Which one is the smallest numerator? That fraction is less than the other fraction. Second one is numerators are same, denominators are different. Then how to compare? First you should compare denominators. Which one is the smallest denominator? That fraction is greater than the other fraction. Which is the smallest denominator? That fraction is greater than the other fraction. Next, third one is unlike fractions. If they are given unlike fractions means first you should compare denominators with LCM, then you have to convert into like fractions and compare. Did you understand now? Okay, see the page number 59. Here, 3 cases are given, no? You should write those 3 cases. Okay? Write with examples also. All of you write now. Page number 59. Write those cases. Okay, next one, see example 4, children. Simplify. Simplify. What is the first question given? 1 4 by 5 plus 2 5 by 6. So first what is given? Given 1 4 by 5 plus 2 5 by 6. So here what is the symbol? Addition symbol. So you have to do addition. How can you do, children? Here which type of fractions given? Which type of fractions given? Yes, mixed fraction given. So first you have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert? 5 ones 5, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. So how to convert 5 into 1 plus 4 by 5 plus 6 into 2 plus 5 by 6. Now write 5 ones 5 plus 4 by 6 by 5 plus 6 twos 12 plus 5 by 6. 5 plus 4 how much? 9 by 5 plus 12 plus 5 17 by 6. So now we are converting into improper fraction. Now you have to do addition. But here denominators are different. So which type of fraction is this one? Unlike fraction. So can you do unlike fractions? Addition? No, we can't. So what you can do? First you have to convert into like fractions, then you should add. So how to convert like fractions? Find the LCM of denominators. So what are the denominators? The LCM of denominators 5 and 6 is, so 5 and 6, is there any divisible by any one number? No. So you should multiple 5 into 6, how much? 5 6 30. Listen all of you. Stop writing, listen. 5 6 how much? 30. What is the LCM? 30 will get. Now take the first fraction. What is the first fraction? 9 by 5. Okay. Now multiply. Here denominator is 5. Here LCM is 30. So in the 5 table, how many times 30? 5 times, huh? 6 times. So you should multiple with both numerator and denominator by 6. So 9 6 how much? 54. 5 6 how much? 30. Next, another fraction is 17 by 6. So in the 6 table, how many times 30? How many times 30? 5 times. So 5 by 5. 17 5 how much? 17 5 6 5 30. Now observe here, denominators both are same. Now we have converted into like fractions. So therefore 54 by 30 plus 75 by 30. Now add numerators. 54 plus 75. How much? 4 plus 5 9. 5 plus 7 12. 129 by 30. Okay. Sorry, here 38 no. 139 by 30. So here question is in converting into mixed fraction. So you have to convert this into mixed fraction. How to convert? You can divide. How many times? 4 times. 129. So 4 9 by 30 is the answer. Okay, ma? Come on, write.